Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to design a snapback hat using Yellow Images 3D mockup. Hey guys, before we start, if you're new here, please consider to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, let's start. So in this design, we will try to recreate the famous New York Yankees snapback design. So we will apply all black into the hat and white logo of New York Yankees. Okay, so let's work on the front first. So again, don't forget to lock these highlights and shadows before you proceed on editing all of the parts. Okay, now we will just apply the solid black. Just double click this parts design and click the color overlay, then make sure it's in solid black. Click OK. Then on the parts, just double click that and click in the overlay and make sure it's all solid black again. Then just click OK. Then we will now put the New York Yankees logo. Okay. Then just hit enter. Then make sure this logo is in the top above the highlights and shadows. Just drag it and make sure it's center. Okay, now we will apply a 3D realistic look on this flat vector or PNG logo. Just double click. We will also change the color into white. Okay, just click the bevel emboss, then click the color overlay, change into white, click OK. Now if you can see, the logo looks like 3D, so to apply a more realistic look on the logo, we will apply this texture, and I have this streaks pattern. So you can look for any pattern in the internet. You can just download any close-up embroidery images and just put it in the elements inside the Photoshop pattern folders. Okay, now just you can see here we get more realistic than the first when you put it in the mockup. So it's more realistic now compared to the flat that we have earlier. So just click OK and just adjust this, make it's in the center, then zoom out, then that's it. We have our 3D mock-up of the New York Yankees snapback hat. Then we will work on the back view. Again, lock this cap highlights and cap shadows, then double click this cap design, click overlay, make sure it's all solid black, then click OK. Then again, just click on the cap color, then choose solid black, then on the parts Just, oh, we already have that all solid black color. So if you want to change this snapback closure into white, just make sure you have this highlighted, the parts is highlighted, then you can just change all of the details here. But for now we will apply only all solid black, so this is enough for now. And that's it. We have our snapback New York Yankees 3D mockup. So this is how easy the yellow images mockups to use. So you can use this 3D mockup up in your online marketing, or in your, if you have printful uh, products selling online, then you can use this beautiful mockup by yellowimages.com. I will put the link on the description below for you to download this gorgeous mockup. Okay, thanks guys. I hope you like this video, you enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks guys.